Hey everyone, and welcome to beginning a sourdough starter from scratch, the final day, day 5. So you can see here, the final sourdough, it's lots of bubbles, lots of activity, and we can start baking with it, but first we just need to do a quick test, just to make sure it's ready. So all you need for this is just a bowl, some water, your sourdough starter, and a spoon. So here you can see my starter. Again, a lot of bubbles, a lot of activity going on inside. It's looking good. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour a bowl full of water. Here I'm using a ramekin. Regular tap water, cold water is fine. And I'm going to take a spoonful of the starter and just drip some of it into the water. Now what we want to see is we want to see that sourdough floating on the surface, which, as you can see, floating perfectly. And that means that it's ready to use. It has enough air inside of it to use for a successful bake. So stay tuned to this channel, because in the next few weeks I'm going to be showing you how to actually make a sourdough loaf using this very starter.